Can you delete character in Character AI? Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. As of today, Character AI still has not introduced a direct feature of character deletion. However, there are a couple of workarounds that you can use to remove a character from your view. Start off by launching your Character AI app in your device. If you have not logged in yet, make sure to log in using your Character AI credential. Once you have successfully logged in, right here you will see the recent chat and all of the characters right here. If you wish to remove from your site, you can actually hide the character from the recent chat feed. However, this does not guarantee the permanent deletion of the character. Now to hide it, press and hold onto the character and tap on the hide character option. By tapping on it, the character will be removed from your chat feed and your site. This is how you can hide the character, but you may not be able to delete the character in Character AI. Hopefully this was helpful to you and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.